Hello students, this is teacher Pogi and welcome to Mathayom 3 English class. So we are on lesson 5 today. So we are now still on unit 8 from your book. So I hope you have your book with you because we are going to use that for today's lesson. So before we start, let us review first. So last time you learned about comparing something. So I taught you some language structure like this one. So let's review. So if you will use the word bigger in comparing the bat and bear, you can answer or you can say which is bigger. And then student 2 can say the bear is bigger than the bat. And then student 1 can say yes, I agree, or no, I don't agree. For example, you will use smaller. So student 1 can ask the question, very good, which is smaller? And then student 2 can say, the elephant is smaller than the bear. And then student 1 can answer back, I don't agree. I think the bear is smaller than the elephant. Okay, very good. Now, for today's vocabulary, so we have here rival, or in Thai, two groups that fight to be the better one. That is rival. Next, we have ensure. It means to make sure or certain, or ensure, or in Thai. Next, discourage. To try to persuade someone not to do something, or in Thai. Next, dynamic. Exciting, full of energy, or in Thai. Next, conservative. Preferring to do things the way they've been done, or in Thai. Next, maintain. To keep up or carry on, continue, or in Thai. Next, length. The size of something from one end to the other, or in Thai. Next, height. The measurement of how tall someone or something, in Thai. Next, skyscraper. A very tall building, or in Thai, like this one. Next, ostrich. A large African bird with long legs that runs very quickly but cannot fly, or in Thai, like this one. Okay, so let's practice. Let's practice our vocabulary for today. Okay, what is this? What word is this in English? Very good. Dynamic. How about this one? Okay, it's discourage. This one? Okay, ensure. How about this one? Conservative. This one? Rival. This one? Height. Very good. This one? Maintain. How about this one? Length. How about this one? Okay, ostrich. How about this one? Okay, skyscraper. Very good. So for today's lesson, we are going to listen to a conversation. So again, please get your book and read while listening. Are you ready? Okay, so let's listen about the conversation between Michelle and William.
Page 58. Conversation.
So where's your hometown?
I'm from Singapore. Have you been there?
No, I haven't, but I've been to Hong Kong.
Well, Hong Kong is bigger than Singapore, but Singapore is safer, cleaner, and cheaper, and the people are friendlier. It's one of the best cities to live in Asia. And where are you from?
I'm from Orange in the south of France.
Is it near Nice?
Yes, but it's much smaller. It's a quiet little town in Provence. It has a famous ancient Roman theater in the center, and in the spring, the fields are full of beautiful flowers.
I need to go there sometime. I love romantic places.
Now, I will repeat the conversation and then afterwards, you are going to answer some question. Ready? Let's proceed.
Page 58. Conversation.
So where's your hometown?
I'm from Singapore. Have you been there?
No, I haven't, but I've been to Hong Kong.
Well, Hong Kong is bigger than Singapore, but Singapore is safer, cleaner, and cheaper, and the people are friendlier. It's one of the best cities to live in Asia. And where are you from?
I'm from Orange in the south of France.
Is it near Nice?
Yes, but it's much smaller. It's a quiet little town in Provence. It has a famous ancient Roman theater in the center, and in the spring, the fields are full of beautiful flowers.
I need to go there sometime. I love romantic places.
Okay, now, let's try to answer. About the conversation, okay, for number 1, how does William compare Singapore to Hong Kong? For number 2, how does Michelle compare Orange to Nice? And number 3, why does William want to visit Provence? Okay, take your time and then answer from your book. And if you don't have the book, you can answer from your notebook. Okay, for listening, so just listen and answer true or false. Again, you can pause the video if you are not finished with the first activity. Okay, and let's proceed to listening activity. Ready? Okay.
Page 58. Listening. Listen and answer true or false.
I think City United is going to win today, by at least 3 goals.
I don't agree. The Rovers are going to win.
I don't think so. United is a much better team. That's why I'm a United supporter. Look, we have Armstrong in the front. He's faster and smarter than any of your players.
Well, the Rovers have a stronger defense, and we have Bruno Rivera.
Bruno Rivera? You're kidding.
Well, he's more popular than anyone on your team.
Yeah, but he can't play.
Well, he doesn't need to. He's so cute.
Now, you are going to answer true or false. For the first column, you can see Charles thinks blank United is going to win. True or false? Number 2, the Rovers have faster players. True or false? And number 3, Armstrong is smarter than any Rover player. For column number 2, Rachel thinks blank the Rovers are going to win. Number 5, blank the Rovers have a weaker defense. And number 6, Bruno Rivera can't play, but he's cute. Now you can pause the video and answer. Now, I hope you are done, so let's answer. For activity number 1, for question number 1, how does William compare Singapore to Hong Kong? You can say Singapore is safer, cleaner, cheaper, and the people are friendlier than Hong Kong. Number 2 question, how does Michelle compare Orange to Nice? You can say it's much smaller. For number 3, why does William want to visit Provence? Number 3, because he loves romantic places. And then for activity number 2, listening. For number 1, it's true. For number 2, it's false. For number 3, it's true. For number 4, true. 5, false. And number 6, it's true. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you learned something. Goodbye.